to power on and off your Shockz Run Pro 2, look at here on the side with the volume button. You should see this power button. The sign that let you see if it's turned on or turned off only appear for a second. It will blink blue once if it turn on and red if it turn off. What you need to do to power it on is to press and hold it for about 2 seconds. And if you got it near your ear, you should hear this sound.
Battery high.
Now, if you want to power off, you do the same thing. You press and hold it, but you might have to hold it up to 5 seconds. And there we go. It's now power off. So I hope this was helpful.